In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if ChatGPT is down. If you've ever wondered whether a problem is on your side or a wider service issue, this quick check will give you a clear answer straight from the source. Start by opening your preferred search engine. It can be any you're comfortable with. In the search box, type OpenAI status. This query takes you directly to the official status page that tracks the health of ChatGPT and related services. In the results, look for the official OpenAI status site, listed as status.openai.com. Click that link to open the status page. It's a good habit to glance at the web address and make sure you're on the genuine domain before trusting what you see. Once the page loads, you'll notice a prominent banner at the top summarizing the current system health. If everything is running smoothly, it will say something like, "All systems operational." If there are issues, you might see terms such as degraded performance, partial outage, or major outage. These labels help you understand at a glance whether ChatGPT is functioning normally or experiencing problems. Scroll a little, and you'll see a breakdown of individual components. This section lists items like APIs, ChatGPT, Codex, Sora, and FedRAMP. Each component has its own status indicator. To check ChatGPT specifically, find the ChatGPT entry. If it's marked operational, the service is up. If it shows a warning or outage, then ChatGPT is experiencing an issue. Below the component list, there's often a timeline or a feed of recent incidents. If there's an ongoing event, you can click into it to read updates, including when it started, what's affected, and any progress toward a fix. Updates are posted as the team investigates and resolves the problem, so that's where you'll find the most current information. If everything on the page looks operational, but you're still having trouble, it may be a local issue with your connection, device, or browser. In that case, waiting a few minutes and trying again can help confirm whether the problem was temporary. And that's it. By searching for OpenAI status, clicking the official status openai.com link, and checking the system and component indicators, especially the one labeled ChatGPT, you can quickly confirm whether the service is up or experiencing an outage. Keep this simple check in mind whenever ChatGPT feels slow or unresponsive, and you'll know exactly where to look for reliable updates.